i35equipment.com. This is the Kobelco SK160LC hydraulic track excavator. This machine does have the hydraulic thumb on the front there. It is ran by the operator's thumb button control. Welcome you to come look it over for yourself. It is shown by appointment only though. Please give us a call to get on the counter. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. Welcome you to bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to accompany you if you like. It does have the full cab. If you'd like a hauling quote, please fill out the form on our website. Be happy to look into that for you. Hydraulic thumb there going. Great for picking up scrap. There's the horn. Or you can use that thumb for pulling trees. Lots of great uses for such things. It does have dual travel speeds. Check out that thumb and bucket, let him climb out of the cab, and then we'll climb up there and let you look around. Bucket does have 3 teeth with the side cutting wings. Hydraulic thumb. Nice solid heavy thumb there. As always, you can see our full inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Go ahead, zoom out to the fisheye lens, get you a better view of the interior. An operator station. Throttle. I actually may have to have this arm down for that. Horn. Here's your factory HVAC. Here's the fan coming on. Your horn button, and here's your thumb. Check that out. Throttle. Gauges. It's currently set for heavy lift, so I change the travel speed to rabbit. It does have a front work light. As always, visit our website. Let's check out this radio real quick before we go and see if that's working.
This team like
kind of working. There you go. Just probably gotta find a good station or be a little closer to it or check the antenna. Appreciate you taking time to watch the video. Hope it was beneficial to you and look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.